Alright, hey guys, what's up? It's me again with the molex connectors. This is a revised edition, so the whole point of this video is to show me trying to run the wire through without taking the boot fully off, because that was probably the hardest thing. Over the course of a week for the driver's side, it probably took me I messed with it, I stopped, gave up, tried it again the next day. Just try not to get completely mad. I even broke a part of the plastic on the harness, so I tried playing it cool. I finally did get it. It didn't take anything from start to finish. From that little session it was easy. It's just one of those things. I mean, and with the Chryslers it has to be lined up. For those who don't know the pain that I go through with this, it's like the metal, then the molex connector harness piece, and then the boot goes around that black part but not in the door, so it's between both of those. It's really tricky. It looks like the black piece actually comes out. I don't know, I broke a piece trying to get it out, so what I'm going to try to go run it through there. I know where the hole's at because I used the light like I said in the last video, so I won't have to drill any holes. And then I'm going to put that back on once I get it ran through. I'm going to try to run it down through here. I might have to hit it with the heat gun to make it a little more flexible, but this part just goes in the door like a normal grommet. This is a hard one, so I'm going to go ahead, get my wire, put it through where I know the hole's at. And this isn't my first time trying to do this video, and I know that if I put it through here with it bent a little like this, it'll actually come right back to me. Probably won't this time. Right there. And just keep feeding it. Hope it hits something. But here it is. So now I need to strip it. We're trying to make it as small as possible. We want to get a good amount of solder on there, but if you get it too thick it will not fit through. Need to find my amped wire right here. I've never tried twisting the wires like this, but here goes nothing. I suggest that when you do this, if you're not really into soldering, make sure you use a very good solder. Some solders don't like to remelt, some don't like melting, period. It's just the way they're made. I recommend going with Radio Shack. I won't use anything but Radio Shack. Not when it comes to soldering. There's that. So now we're going to try to pull it back through. I haven't had success at this point of the video. You want to try to make it straight as possible, so you're not trying to pull it around corners and shit. And there we go. So that was a good idea, twisting and soldering. Solder is pretty strong. See right there, I can't pull it and break it, but solder is pretty strong, just don't overestimate it. Now, shit, I don't know about this part. That's as far as that video goes. So if I cut off the video and don't continue recording, please subscribe. I mean, I hope I'm helping a lot of Chrysler owners out there. This shit's stressful. It should not be this hard. So I'm gonna keep going. If I cut it off, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and wish me luck. I shoved this metal thing, which is actually part of a carburetor adjuster or something for the four-wheeler. Didn't work for mine, or well, it wasn't even really, didn't help at all. Anyways, I cut it right here, shoved it down through, ran the wire through it because it's hollow. Then I realized, well, shit, how do I get the metal off? So I cut it, soldered it, ran it through there that way.